multi-zone mini-split systems have experienced significant growth in recent years. Fueled by their versatility and ease of use, these systems offer customizable temperature control, energy efficiency, and easy installation, making them a popular choice among homeowners. Despite having several benefits, multi-zone mini-split systems may face an issue known as mode conflict, where one indoor unit is set to cool while others are heating, or vice versa. The MRCOOL Smart Wi-Fi mMini-Stat distinguishes itself with its cutting-edge smart feature, which effectively avoids mode conflict to guarantee the seamless operation of your multi-zone system. The Smart Mini-Stat simplifies multi-zone control with remarkable ease of use. Pair each indoor unit with its respective MRCOOL Smart Wi-Fi mMini-Stat or MRCOOL Smart Wi-Fi Dongle, and group them to configure a multi-zone setup. Choose between synchronizing all units to the recently chosen mode or turning off all other units to prevent mode conflict. Experience uninterrupted comfort and convenience by eliminating mode conflict with the MRCOOL Smart Wi-Fi mMini-Stat. MRCOOL, comfort made simple.